How to share your location on iPhone. To share your location on your iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up Settings on your iPhone. Here, you will be able to access all the primary settings of your phone. Now, scroll down a little bit and find the Privacy and Security option. Once you find it, tap on it. Then, tap on Location Services. Once you're in, tap Share My Location. After that, toggle on the Share My Location option. Now, minimize the application and open the default messaging app on your iPhone. Then, open a conversation from here. After that, tap on the profile name of the recipient. Once you're on this page, tap on Share My Location. Choose the duration for how long you want to share the location. Here, I am going to share my location just for an hour. Now, tap the Send button to share the live location with your friends and family. By following these simple steps, you can easily share your location on iPhone.